Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around us is mathematics. Everything around us is numbers. It is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. A very hearty morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary. On 22nd December, National Mathematics Day is celebrated across the nation to honor the birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan. This day is to recognize his extraordinary contribution to the maths. My dear friends, hard work and a little bit of luck really can lead us to fulfill our dreams. Ramanujan's hard work and passion helped him become one of the most recognized mathematicians today. Let us celebrate National Mathematics Day today. Let's we start today's morning assembly with God's prayer, as it is one way we can communicate with God. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, we live in India and it is our motherland. It reminds us of our responsibilities towards our country and motherland. Let us take vow with Utkarsh from class 6th. Thank you so much, Utkarsh. My dear friends, the main objective behind celebration of this day is to raise awareness among people about the importance of mathematics for the development of humanity. Marking the importance of National Mathematics Day, I would like to invite Shaurya from class 8 for Thought of the Day. Good morning everyone, my name is Shaurya. Thought of the day is: the essence of maths is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much, Shaurya, for this nice thought. Building our vocabulary is one easy way to improve our communication skills. It's time to expand our vocabulary, and for word of the day, I would like to call Hardeep from class 8. Good morning everyone, my name is Hardeep. Word of the day is constant, and the meaning of constant is a quantity that does not vary, steadfast in purpose or devotion or affection. Synonyms of constant are faithful, resolute, staunch. Antonyms of this word are irregular, exceptional, variable. I'm using this word in a sentence. Their whole life was a constant battle against poverty. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Hardeep, for enhancing our vocabulary. Since ancient times, various scholars had made significant contributions to mathematics, including Aryabhat, Brahmagupta, Mahavir, Bhaskar II, Srinivas Ramanujan. At a very young age, Srinivas Ramanujan's contribution set an example in mathematics. Let us know the history and significance of National Mathematics Day. I would like to invite Nitya from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Nitya. India has been a pioneer in all the fields because of the exceptionally talented individuals who made the country proud. Few mathematicians challenged the understanding of the world and left behind a legacy of breakthrough discovery and research. Let us enhance our knowledge, and I would like to invite Veer from class 8 to tell us the names of some of the famous Indian mathematicians with their contributions to the world of mathematics. Thank you so much, Veer. General knowledge opens different avenues for one seeking. It develops our social reasoning and analytical thinking skills. And it's time to enhance and test our knowledge. For GK quiz, I would like to invite Dora from class 8. After GK quiz, thank you so much, Dora, for enhancing our knowledge. Mathematics plays a vital role in all aspects of life. It helps to develop the ability to think and helps explain how things work. It is a pillar of organized life for the present day. It has great importance and benefits in our daily lives. And let us know more about the importance of mathematics in our daily lives. And next, I would like to invite Sanaya from class 8 to deliver a speech on the importance of mathematics in our daily lives. Thank you so much, Sanaya. We're proud to be born in India. Being the citizen of India, we should respect our nation and develop a sense of unity among ourselves. it's time to pay respect to our nation by singing national anthem. Let us get ready for national anthem and start. After national anthem, thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.